Hey guys, in this video I will be teaching you how to sign up for your PayPal account on your desktop. So if you are looking for a video like this, make sure to watch till the end. Now let's move forward. If you are on the desktop, open your web browser and then type paypal.com. Then you will be directed towards the website of PayPal. So on your screen you see a blue option as sign up for free. So click on there. Now on your screen again, you will be again asked to provide your email. So provide your email. And then after you're done with that, just below it, you see a next button. So again, click on there. And now make sure to provide your phone number. After you're done with providing your phone number, again, click on next option. You will be sent code to your mobile number. Check your message and then type the code. Now you will be again asked to create a password. So create your password with 8 or more characters along with two of the following letters, numbers or symbol. So make sure to follow all these criteria. Now create your password. Then again click on next. Now again on your screen you will be asked to provide your first name. After you're done with that, again go ahead and click on next option. Again provide your address line. Now after you're done with that, again on your bottom you see an agree and create account option. So click on there again. So on your screen you will see an option as shop or send money. But for now, again click on not now option. You can just link your card by providing your card number, select the type of card you have, your expiration date, your security, and your billing address. And just click on link cards and you will be linked to your card. So in this way you are logged into your PayPal account through a desktop. Or you can also follow the same procedure on your mobile phone as well. So if you like this video and if this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and like the video.